Hello guys, welcome back to another dating tip episode. So last year I did a video called 5 things you should never do for online dating, and that video turned out to be one of my most viewed dating videos. If you haven't seen that one, you can click the link here to watch. It looks like you guys find it very helpful, so I decided to continue that series to elaborate more on similar topics and tips. When I recall my 2-year online dating experience, I used to have some misunderstanding about online dating, especially in the first year, which led to some wasted time and heartbreaking moments without knowing why. So today I want to bust some myth about online dating. If you just started dating online, this video will help you to have the right mindset and understanding when you are meeting people in this virtual world. Whether you're a newbie or maybe you've been using dating apps for a while but are still struggling to find a right match, maybe this video will help clear some of your thoughts and help you reposition yourself. If this sounds interesting to you, all you need to do is just keep on watching. Okay, so online dating myth number 1. When I'm dating online, I'm looking for instant chemistry or instant click. We are all looking for romance on dating apps, but unfortunately, even if you might have instant chemistry with someone, but be careful because most of the time they are not real. I've heard some people saying that they are looking for that right feeling or the right chemistry when they see someone for the first time, and they would not go out with this person again if there's no instant click. But wait a minute, since when we all agree that it's super normal to fall in love with someone at the first sight? And why would you not date this person again just because you didn't feel instantly connected? If this is you who is eager to see some magic happen on your first date, please wake up. We know that relationship and good feelings take time to develop, and I understand that love at first sight does exist, but it's really not that common. It is super normal to not feel affectionate or attached to someone even on your 3rd date or your 5th date, because it's better that way. It's better that you take it slow to get to know each other more, so you have time to examine if this person is real or if you really like him. When we have instant chemistry with someone, it's usually based on the appearance only or the illusion of how they carry themselves. Do you know how easy it is to fool someone just by the way you talk, your personal charm, or the stories you tell? I was on one day when I instantly clicked with a guy, and he was very good at telling stories. He was very smooth, telling me his successful working experiences and his family stories. I remember his look was so my type, so I was very excited that I found a Prince Charming, and I thought that I was so lucky. We fell in love very quickly and we dated for almost 3 months. Long story short, I was so blinded by the illusion and I wasn't able to see him and some of his red flags clearly. For example, he will only see me when he's available, and he was always talking about himself, and he didn't really listen to me or really get to know me. Until one time, my roommate at the time pointed out and told me that that wasn't right. So I finally woke up and then I broke up with him. My story might be an extreme case, but I just want to remind everyone to not see online dating any different from regular dating. Whether you meet a person online or in real life, it's the same slow process that it takes time to get to know each other. It should be a slow process, and it's super normal to not have a strong feeling about the person on the first couple of your dates. So be open-minded. If you see your date a good candidate and you have a good impression about him, maybe there's no strong chemistry yet, but why not keep dating him and see how it goes, instead of looking for that magical moment and be misled by the illusion the other person is creating or that you create for yourself. It's almost impossible to find a legit partner online because so many shady people are using dating apps. It's never easy to find a right match on dating apps, just like how it is in our real life. And yes, there are many people who are not looking for a serious relationship on dating apps, but there's still a group of people who are looking for something serious, aka a real life partner. So don't give up if you don't have a better way to meet new people. I understand that people have negative impressions about online dating because of the stereotypes or some horror dating stories that we heard from somewhere before. But in the past 6 to 7 years, we cannot deny that more and more people meet their significant other online because the world we live in has evolved into a new generation where our lifestyle and the way we date have changed dramatically. So if you're looking for an efficient way to meet new people while having a busy life, online dating is still a good option to consider, as long as you know how to protect yourself and do it the safe way. I'm not going to say there aren't shady people on dating apps. And yes, there are a lot of people that might not fit your standard. Before you find the right match online, you might encounter a lot of not so good matches who will help you to understand who you are or what you're actually looking for. So you need to be patient to go through that process. You might feel lonely, painful, impatient along the way. That is very normal. I've been there before. And that's why I'm here to be your cheerleader when you need advice. But as long as you stick around and have faith, you will find a special one for you at the end of the tunnel. I think there's age restrictions for dating apps. I feel so old using it in my 30s, 40s, or 50s. It's never too late to use dating apps as long as you have the right mindset and know what you are looking for. There are people at all ages on dating apps looking for a partner. If you want to feel more comfortable, do your homework and choose the right dating apps that better match your needs and your demographic. I remember when I was 29, I was super stressed about turning 30 on dating apps. I was thinking to myself that, oh my god, there will be less guys who will be interested in me after I turn 30. And oh my god, I only have a few months left before my birthday in December. I scared myself so much and was insecure. But after I turned 30, nothing really changed. I still got messages and I was still going on dates. And guess what? That was also the year when I met my current boyfriend 3 years ago. So don't let age scare or limit you. Those people who don't want to date you because of your age, you know what? Screw them, because you don't want to date them either. Age is just a number. What's inside you is something that really matters. Period. There are more male users than female users on dating apps. That's why guys don't get enough responses on dating apps. And it's much easier for women to date online. That is not 100% right. An online source revealed a user gender ratio for Tinder in December 2019, and it was 80% male and 20% female. But another online source shows that for Coffee Meets Bagel, it started as a gender-neutral app with 50 and 50 males and females. But later it transitioned into a female-oriented app where you'll find more female users than male users. For all the resources that I found online, there are some apps with more male users and some apps with more female users. All in all, there are more male users than female users on dating apps. It's not that huge of a gap as people assume, so don't let that discourage you. And a lot of times, women have the same frustrations and disappointment using dating apps just like men. No matter what, you cannot really change it for a fact. If you really care about the user gender ratio, then do your homework and choose the right app. Try it out and see how it works for you. There are so many other factors and details that go into a right match. Your profile, how active you are, the way you carry yourself, your persistence, and sometimes it's just luck. So instead of complaining that, oh, there are more guys than girls on dating apps, I think it's more important to just go out there and give it your best shot. It's not safe to use dating apps because you are dealing with complete strangers. You are right about the potential danger, but you cannot deny that most of the people on dating apps, they are good people. And that's why you need to be smart about how to date safely to lower the risk. Even in real life dating, we may encounter some crazy lovers sometimes. Dating apps sound more scary because it's virtual, which I totally understand. But if you drop it because you are too scared, maybe it's just not for you. To date safely, here are some things that you should remember and practice. Number 1, always meet your date in a public place during the daytime preferably. And number 2, keep your family and friends informed that you are going out on a date and let them know who this person is just in case. You can give your date a hint that your family or friends are aware of this date as well. And number 3, be smart about whom you are dating. If you notice something odd or weird about the person that threatens your own safety, don't linger and you should turn around and ask for help. These are the 3 things that I was practicing when I was online dating. And I want to emphasize that you should always stay alert when dating online because it's better safe than sorry, right? Okay, so these are my 5 myth busters for online dating. I hope you guys find it helpful and you can let me know in the comment what other topics that you want to see. If you want to join my private Facebook dating group where we do Q&As every week and share more dating tips with everyone in the community, you can click the link under this video to join. Don't forget to like this video or consider subscribing to my channel so I can keep making great content for everyone. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss my notifications. Again, thank you guys for watching from the bottom of my heart and I will see you in my next one. Bye!